Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about top 5 smartphone August 2024 has brought some incredible smartphone to the market. Whatever you are upgrading or just curious, here is the top 5 smartphone you need to check out in this month. First, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. First on the list is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries with the foldable design. The Z Fold 6 feature a larger, more durable 7.8 inches main display with 120 Hz refresh rate, making multitasking a breeze. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor up to 12 GB of RAM, performance is buttery smooth. Plus, the enhanced hinge mechanism ensure that it can handle the rigors of the daily uses. If you are into innovative tech, this one for you. Next is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple continues to dominate with the iconic design, top-notch performance. This year, Pro Max boasts the stunning 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. The A17 Bionic chip powers the beast, offering the unparalleled speed and efficiency. And with the new 48 megapixel triple camera setup, your photos and videos will be nothing short of spectacular. If you are in the Apple ecosystem, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Next phone is Google Pixel 8 Pro. Coming in the number 3, we have the Google Pixel 8 Pro, known for the exceptional camera, and Pixel 8 Pro continues the tradition with 15 megapixel sensor and Google's improved AI powered image processing. The Pixel 8 Pro also introduced a new Tensor G3 chip designed to enhance performance and battery life while offering a pure Android experience. If you are photography enthusiast or love stock Android, this is the phone for you. The next phone is the fourth place, which is OnePlus 12. We have known the flagship killer status. OnePlus delivered again with the 6.8-inch QSD plus display and 120 Hz refresh rate, powering an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 up to 16 GB of the RAM, the OnePlus 12 offers lightning fast performance with its 100-watt fast charging. Ensure that you were being tethered to power outlet for the long. For those seeking performance without compromise, the OnePlus 12 is a solid choice. The next is Xiaomi Mi 14. This powerhouse featured a 6.9 AMOLED display with stunning 144 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and the media consumers like. The highlights there is the 200 megapixel quad camera system which delivers breathing details in every shot, coupled with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a massive 5.5 mAh battery. The Mi 14 Ultra offers a top tier specification at the competitive price. If you are the flagship feature without breaking the bank, this one for you. So if we have a top 5 smartphone of August 2024, whatever you are cutting the edge design and powerful performance or top-notch cameras, there's something for you. Which one will be you picking? Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, please subscribe us.